everyone, today we are going to be doing another declutter with me. Today we're going to actually be doing my living room and my dining room. If you guys have watched my other video where I declutter my kitchen, we are actually going to be moving. So what you guys are going to be seeing me do is box up just a whole lot of stuff. So if you guys would like to see me declutter and clean my living room, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, yes, I was in my sweats. It was like 6:30 in the morning on a Saturday, and I needed to get all of this done before my husband woke up, so I'm putting a bunch of stuff away. So the reason I'm putting away all the books and stuff right now is I have 2 bookshelves on each side of my chimney, and we're trying to make the space look bigger. We haven't decided yet if we want to move the bookshelves out, because we kind of want people to have an idea of what we used it for. It's really hard to kind of put yourself in the mind of the buyer when you're the one putting it up for sale. It's, you know, for us, it's getting all of our stuff out and, oh, the house will speak for itself. But we have to think, if we were a buyer, like when we first bought the house, how are we going to make it look nice? How are we going to make it look good? How are we going to make people want this home? So basically what I'm going to be doing right now is just boxing away things that we don't need. DVDs, my art supplies, just a bunch of random things. I'm moving out this black thing today. This is kind of like what we would put our TV on, but since we mounted our TV, we don't really need this thing out there. It just added extra storage, I guess. So we're going to be moving that to the storage today. And dog break, because they always like to do this when I'm doing something. They were playing tug of war and I had the camera out, so I decided to turn the camera on to them and catch a little puppy time. Once I'm done boxing everything up, I'm going to slide it all to one side because I need it out of my way so I can see what exactly I need to put away. And then I'm going to write on top of them everything that's in it. So I write mine and my husband's name and basically what is in each box. That way when we go to move something or find something, I know exactly where it is, exactly how to find it. I know that my boxes are kind of mixed matched, and it's because if you've watched a couple of my other videos, I actually get my boxes from my local grocery store. So whenever they're done doing their stock in the morning, I'll run up and grab whatever boxes they have left over. That way I don't have to buy them from Home Depot, because I'm saving a whole lot of money by just getting the ones that they're basically gonna throw away. So if you guys haven't done that before and you're looking for boxes for whatever reason, check your local grocery stores in the morning after they've done all their stock throughout the night, and they'll have extra boxes left over. And I'm going to be doing some tidying up also, since we're taking basically everything out of the living room. I kind of want to see what it looks like if we clean it. That way when it is cleaned up and fixed up for when we show it, it looks good. We're taking this big old thing down. This is, we had it above that entertainment center, and it was holding a bunch of notebooks and things like that. And then because we haven't decided what we're gonna do with the bookshelves, I noticed that they looked bare and they kind of looked a little funny. So I took everything down off of those and like my notebooks and things like that and put them back onto the bookshelves. And I like the way it actually turned out because it makes our walls look cleaner because there's nothing on them. So that also helps with the living room looking big. The thing that we're gonna have a hard time with is our couches and our recliner. That takes up the most space. Our living room is actually very, very big for the size of our house. So we're trying to see what everything is gonna look like and then start to adjust after that. And I got a comment about this the other day and it actually made me laugh because I never realized it. I've been told by my husband that I'm weird for doing it, but I spray down cleaner and then use the Swiffer. And these are actually dry ones, and I had forgotten that Swiffers come in solution already. But I was so confused. I was like, what? I don't get it. But I guess it does make sense. Like, why would I spray extra cleaner when they come in cleaner? But I don't know. To me, I just feel like they give a really, really good smell. But it just made me laugh. I don't know. I just had to mention it. So for the carpets and stuff right now, I'm just putting down this powder stuff, and what it does is it helps lift up all the odor smell. Now when we move, we will be cleaning the carpets before it's even getting shown because I have dogs. I don't want the smell to be in the house. We live in the desert, so there's like this dirt smell. So I will be going over the carpets and even the rug. But for right now, this is what I'm gonna do to maintain it. And I've been lighting candles like crazy to help with all the odor. If you guys have any suggestions, I know I've seen a couple that I'm going to try, but if you guys have any suggestions on how to lift up like dog smell or dirt smell, I would love for you guys to leave it in the comments down below. That way it just helps a little bit. I don't want people to walk into the house and just smell dirt and dog. I want it to smell nice and pretty. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below. What's the worst thing that you guys hate about moving? I haven't decided yet. I kind of like boxing stuff up. I think the part that I would probably hate the most is probably loading it up to take it somewhere. But yeah, that's gonna be it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.